Well, hello there, welcome back to the channel, and if you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie. In today's video, it's a gorgeous day in the coastal town in Florida that we live at, and I decided to stop by Home Depot to get some plants to plant in the front yard. So let's go ahead and get started. This is how the front yard looks right now. During the past winter, because the temperatures went below freezing, I lost a lot of my tropical plants. Today, we're going to focus in this small area of the yard and plant these beautiful plants that I got at Home Depot. My house is painted in white, and I love using these dramatic colors on the plants so they have a beautiful contrast with the walls. So let's grab the shovel and start digging all the holes to plant the plants. As you can see across the street, they're building a new home, and thankfully it will be almost done in a few months because the dust is really bad. We have sand everywhere. Today is a little bit windy, but I take it instead of having a humid and hot day. The temperature today is in the 60s, so it's perfect to start planting and establishing all this garden. The soil here is very sandy, so it makes it very easy to dig all these holes. This bed has an irrigation system, so every of the plants will have a drip line to water. The project today is very small, and I think I can tackle it in an hour, but in the next few weeks I'm going to be also landscaping the other side of the front yard. We're also planning to landscape the backyard, and that's a bigger project, and I already submitted the plans to the Homeowners Association, and I'm waiting for their approval to start buying all the materials. In the backyard, we're planning to do a privacy fence along the aluminum fence, so there's going to be a lot of shrubs to be planted and also some tropical plants like palm trees and bird of paradise. I can't wait to see how the backyard and the pool will transform when we add all that landscape. Today I am just planting these shrubs, and I'm going to wait to add additional mulch when I have everything planted in the front of the yard. I like to do all the mulch all at once. Please comment below and let me know if you're already planning for the garden season or you're already starting to plant in your yard. For the ones like us that live in Florida, planting season is really early. I remember when we lived in Massachusetts and in Maryland, we only planted after Mother's Day. I'm really liking how these colors are looking against the white walls, the green shrubs, and also in the front I have some perennials that have yellow flowers, so the contrast of the burgundy and the purple with the yellow flowers are going to look beautiful. And just like that, everything is already planted. I'm going to use this small rake that I got at Home Depot a few years ago and rake all the mulch that I have. In a few weeks I will be putting a fresh coat of mulch. After planting, I always like to put a little bit of fertilizer. This is my favorite fertilizer. It's the organic plant tone. I just sprinkle a handful of the fertilizer around the plant. To finish up, I'm going to add a little bit of water around all the plants. And this is how everything turned out. We still need to put a nice coat of mulch, but we will be continuing this project after we finish planting the other side of the front yard. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for coming along with me to do some gardening this afternoon. And if you're a new visitor, please take some time to subscribe so you continue watching the gardening season of 2026. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you next time.